Hello everybody. Now we will see how to multiply numbers quickly by 12. So for this what we should know in advance is multiplication by 11. Multiplication by 11 if you know, multiplying by 12 is a very easy shortcut. Let us see with an example now. Let us take the number 2, 4, 7, 5, 3 into 12 I have to do. So let us quickly try to recollect how to multiply by 11. What will you do? You will write 2, 4, 7, 5, 3, then 2 imaginary zeros, then put up a tree like structure like this. And how will we finish the answer? We will write 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 7, 7 plus 4, like that till this last step. All these digits will be the answer, correct? Now for 12 also it is almost the same thing. But remember one thing, the left part twice. Remember these two words alone extra, the left part should be added twice. That is, I will tell you in detail, if you have to do 0 plus 3, in this combination 3 and 0 which comes on the left side, 3 is on the left side, that alone you add twice. Don't do 0 plus 3 like 11. For 12 you do 0 plus 3 plus 3. So how much is 0 plus 3 plus 3? It is 6. The next one, just do 3 plus 5 plus 5. How much is 3 plus 5 plus 5? Yes, it comes to 13. 3, 1 carry. Now do 5 plus 7 plus 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 more 7, 19. Plus 1 carry will be 20. So write 0, write 2 carry. Now 7 plus 4 plus 4, left part twice. So 7 plus 4, 11. Another 4, 15. Plus 2 carry will be 17. So write 7, 1 carries. Now 4 plus 2 plus 2 will be 8. Plus 1 will make it 9. Right? Now there is no carry. Finally you have to do 2 plus 0 plus 0. That doesn't matter. It's anyway 2. So the answer is going to be 297036. That's all. So 24753 into 12 means it is just 297036. So this is the way to multiply any big number also by 12. So how to start off? Just like 11, write the number with some space, 2 imaginary zeros at the start and the end, then make a tree like structure, left part twice. This extra line alone please remember when it comes to 12. Is that clear? Let us maybe see just one more example on how to multiply by 12. Let's take 7, 1, 3, 5, 8 into 12 I have to do. Continue the same way. 7, 1, 3, 5, 8 with spaces, 2 imaginary zeros at the start, at the end. Then form a tree like structure. 0 plus 8 plus 8, left part twice. So 0 plus 8 plus 8 will be 16. Write 6, 1 carry. Then 8 plus 5 plus 5, that's 18. 1 carry will make it 19. Write 9, 1 carry. 5 plus 3 plus 3, how much is that? 11. Plus 1 carry, 12. Write 2, 1 here. Then 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. No carry here. Then 1 plus 7 plus 7, which is 15. So write 5, 1 carry. Now 7 plus 0, that is 7, plus 1 carry will make it 8. So the answer will be 856296. That's all. Is this portion clear? Now, let us see a small variation in this. In case the question is, how to multiply this by 13? We can also extend it to till 19. We can extend it till 19 easily. So, how we should remember for 13 now? For 11, no change. For 12, we said left part twice. So for 13, obviously it must be left part thrice. No other change. So for the same question, how will I do if it is 13? I will just do 0 plus 3 into 8 I have to do, which is 24. Write 4, carry 2. Now 8 plus 3 into 5 I have to do. 3 into 5 is 15. Plus 8, 23. Plus carry 25. 5 and then 2. Then 5 plus 3 into 3. 3 into 3 alone is 9. Plus 5, 14. Plus 2 will be 16. So write 6, 1 carry. Now 3 plus 3 into 1. Always left part thrice. So 3 plus 3 into 1 is 6. Plus 1, 7. No carry. Then 1 plus 3 into 7. That must be 21 plus 1, 22. Write 2, 2 carry. Now 7 plus 3 into 0. That is nothing, 7 only. Plus carry will make it 9. So 927654 is the answer for 71358 into 13. So now we have learned how to multiply any number from 12 to even 19. Till 19 this can be extended. Just this left part factor you adjust twice, thrice, 4 times and so on. That is enough. Is this clear? Thank you.